Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and welcome back to our channel. So today I have something amazing to show you, which is our complete trading journal in Excel. So let me give you a quick breakdown of today's video. So first I'm going to show you the major sections of the journal, and then we're going to go into further detail as we go through each section. And so I will lead you through the entire spreadsheet, and the user interface is designed to be very user-friendly, so you don't need any Excel expertise, okay? It is suitable for all trading instruments, particularly for day trading and swing trading. And so let's just go ahead and take a look right now. So here first we have our database tab. And so with our database tab, you can enter the necessary information regarding your latest trades. So I'm just going to quickly add some details of a trade right here that we could use as an example. And so there we just added some new details, and whenever you add any new data to the chart, you just want to go up here to the data tab and select refresh all. And so next up we have our overview tab. And in the Overview tab, this gives you an outline of the fundamental features that every trader should keep track of regularly, okay? So it features a profit curve that demonstrates the change in trading performance over time with and without the fees. Additionally, it highlights the total profits and losses incurred during the period, the number of wins and losses and their averages, and you also see the win rate, the risk reward, and the profit factor, which is the sum of your wins divided by the sum of your losses. And basically, if your profit factor is greater than 1, it means you're a profitable trader. And this last chart will show you the P&L for the last 30 trading days. So every bar represents one day, and you'll be able to see how you're performing lately. And so finally down here, you can use the slicers to personalize your analysis. So for instance, if you wish to review the performance of all your short trades in the last 3 months only, you can simply select those slicers there. So you could select short, and then you would select these last 3 months, July, August, September. That will be reflected here on the Overview tab, okay? Or you can also filter the results by strategy to see which one of them brings the best results. So you could select the different strategies here. So there are infinite ways in which you can customize your analysis to help you find where your biggest weaknesses and strengths are, okay? Then we have our Detailed tab, and this provides specific analysis such as performance by day of the week, by price range, or by the time of day. And also includes additional charts that can replace existing ones. So you can select this chart section, and this will allow you to customize the dashboard according to your preference. So you can see we have vertical charts here, and if you go down you can see some horizontal charts here as well. And next we have our Journal tab, and this is where you can add comments for each trade and each trading day, okay? And lastly, we have our Calendar section, which will automatically display the profits and losses as well as the number of trades made on each day. And so there you have it, guys. This was a review of our complete trading journal, and to get this journal you can go ahead and click on the link in the description. And so thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.